Reported speech is a way of telling someone what another person said without repeating their exact words. It is often used to refer to things people said in the past. Instead of using quotation marks, reported speech expresses the same meaning using different words. Direct speech shows the exact words someone said, usually in quotation marks. For example, she said, "I like ice cream." Reported speech tells what someone said but changes the wording. For example, she said that she liked ice cream. When changing direct speech to reported speech, the tense of the verbs often changes. For example, present tense in direct speech changes to past tense in reported speech. I eat pizza changes to she said she ate pizza. Present continuous changes to past continuous. I am eating becomes he said he was eating. Other common tense changes in reported speech include past simple tense changing to past perfect. For example, I visited Paris becomes she said she had visited Paris. The word will changes to would. I will call becomes he said he would call. Modal verbs also change in reported speech. The word can changes to could, like I can swim becoming she said she could swim. May changes to might. For example, I may go becomes he said he might go. Other modal verbs also change. Must becomes had to. I must leave now changes to she said she had to leave now. Shall becomes should. You shall complete the task becomes he said I should complete the task. Time expressions often change in reported speech. Words like now change to then, and today changes to that day. For example, I am here now changes to she said she was there then. Tomorrow changes to the next day, as in I will do it tomorrow becoming he said he would do it the next day. Other time expressions also change. Today changes to that day, and this changes to that. For example, come here today becomes she told me to go there that day. This is my house becomes he said that was his house. Try this practice exercise. Convert the direct speech to reported speech. The direct sentence is, I will meet you tomorrow, she said. Now put it into reported speech beginning with, she said that. Here is another practice sentence. Convert the following direct speech to reported speech. They will arrive next week, he said. Begin your answer with, he said that.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.